rust. Let's talk a little bit about rust. If you live in New England or anywhere where they use salt on the roads, rust is a constant battle to keep it in check. Over the years, I've used Woolwax and I've used fluidfilm. I think they're pretty much the same product. I've had great luck with both. But this year we're going to use Woolwax. I bought this kit. It comes with 4 1-quart jugs that are filled with Woolwax. Comes with a spray nozzle that screws right onto the top. It comes with a spray nozzle extension hose. And then it comes with another hose that has a like a spray or a wide angle nozzle on it that you could use to put inside of a door or a frame rail. Anytime you got to do anything under a vehicle, it's a way easier to use a lift. I don't have a lift, but I'm going to go borrow a lift and we'll get this stuff sprayed on and see how it goes. Stick around. All right, we're in the TJ and we're on our way over to borrow a lift to spray some Woolwax. Got 3 vehicles to do today. I got this Jeep, which is our 1998 TJ. I've got a 2016 Jeep JK to do, and then we're gonna do the my 4Runner. So, all right, like my outfit. We're gonna start off with the TJ. I'm on my way home. I'm in the 4Runner. Super successful morning. Took 3 to 3.5 hours to do this work, to do 3 vehicles. That included setup, actual doing the spraying, and then cleanup. So that wasn't too bad. It goes pretty quick. The spray gun works awesome. I recommend getting the spray gun. If you got, I would recommend 2 quarts for every 1 vehicle. But if you have a full-size truck, I'd get the gallon, because that spray gun does put out a lot of product. I know you can adjust it a little bit, and I messed with it, but it puts it out so nice that I just kind of left it alone and went with it. So super happy with the spray gun, super happy with the Woolwax. I use the clear, the amber, or the straw, whatever they call it. I like it, works better. I used the black once, and the black kind of dried up in spots, and you could scrape it off with a putty knife. I haven't seen the clear stuff do that yet, so that's why I like the clear. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Pretty much it for the video. Till next time, thanks for watching.